Hello friends, let us begin with part 1 of this course in which we look at some basic Excel functions that will help us to extract information. Now, before we go on to understand those functions, we wanted to run you through an Excel spreadsheet that we will be using throughout this course to help you understand those functionalities. As such, you may have now downloaded this Excel template that you see in front of you that was provided along with this course. Let us go straight into the raw data tab and look at what data has been presented to us on this tab. Now, on this tab, the data that you see is the quarterly estimate of the gross domestic product or GDP of India for different years and each quarter in that year along different industries. To help you understand what data we have here, let's look at one of these rows and column. What you see on cell B6 here is 2004-2005 for the quarter Q1. So for the quarter ending Q1 for the year 2004-2005, the agriculture and allied activities contributed 1357 to the Indian GDP. This 1357 is in rupee billion terms. Similarly, for the same year and the same quarter, the trade, hotel and transport communications industry contributed 1665 billion rupees to the Indian GDP. The overall Indian GDP of that year and that quarter is 6950 billion rupees. In this way, we have provided to you data for all the years from 2004 down below up till 2014-15 for all the quarters Q1 to Q4 across all different industries. Column L gives you the total of the entire GDP of the country for that particular year in that particular quarter. We hope this data is quite straightforward and is now easily understandable to us. It is with this data that we will be working on different Excel functions to extract as well as present information. As you will appreciate, this is just a sample of large data and you could have this information for any number of years and any number of quarters across any number of industries. Hence, with this information, we will proceed to understand some basic Excel functionalities. Let's see how we go about doing that.